Hello and welcome to the Bulletin of News Mike. Here we get you the latest news and update. I'm Santa Roy, and before we get started, let's have a look on major three headlines. 23 years later, justice delivered. Amit Jogi awarded life imprisonment in Jaggi murder case. US airmen rescued from Iran reveals secret survival training of soldiers. Assembly election 2026, Narendra Modi pushes UCC One Nation, One Election as next big reform. Now the news in details. Amit Jogi, former MLA and son of late Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Ajit Jogi, has been sentenced to life imprisonment by the Chhattisgarh High Court in connection with the 2003 murder case of Ram Avtar Jaggi, a senior Nationalist Congress Party leader. Jaggi was shot dead in Raipur on 4th of January 2003 while returning from a political meeting, and the case was later handed over to the CBI, which alleged that the killing was part of a political conspiracy linked to an upcoming rally. In 2007, a special CBI court has convicted several accused but acquitted Amit Jogi due to lack of evidence. However, after a long legal battle, the High Court overturned the acquittal, holding from a guilty of conspiracy and murder and awarding life imprisonment. The verdict comes more than 2 decades after the crime, with Jaggi's family calling its long-awaited justice, while Amit Jogi is expected to challenge the decision in the Supreme Court. Rashi will brief you the next news.
A US Air Force airman was rescued from Iran after his fighter jet crashed in enemy territory during conflict. Using special SCRE survival training, the airman stayed hidden in difficult mountainous terrain for nearly 2 days, avoiding enemy forces and sending signals to rescuers. The US military then carried out a high-risk rescue operation involving special forces, helicopters, drones, and intelligence support to safely evacuate him. Officials described the mission as a daring and complex operation, highlighting how soldiers are trained to survive and escape even in hostile conditions.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the decisions on implementing the Uniform Civil Code UCC and One Nation, One Election are moving in a positive direction as part of the government's future agenda ahead of Assembly elections 2026. He stated that these reforms aims to promote national unity, better governance and smoother election processes, and highlighted that the government is working towards major policy changes for a country's development.
Thanks for watching now. We shall bring you the next edition soon. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.